Okay, so in this video we will be understanding a very important concept, that is a little endian and big endian processors. Okay, each and every processor will be following either of these concepts, that is either a little endian and big endian. And of course, whenever I was explaining the concept of a program, whenever I was explaining the concept of how the data will be stored in the memory location, at that time itself I have already explained, but I have not used the terms that is big and little endian, that's all. Okay, so these terms are new to you. So endianness specifies the order in which the data is stored in the memory by the processor operation in a multi-byte system. Suppose the word length is a 2 byte, then the data can be stored in the memory in the two different ways: higher order of the data byte at the higher memory, and the lower order of the data byte at location just below the higher memory. So the little endian concept is followed by all the Intel 86 processors, and lower order of the data byte at the higher memory and higher order of the data byte at the location just below the higher memory. So this concept is called as a big endian, and this concept is followed by all the Motorola series processors. So I think if I just tell in these statements, I think you have not understood. So let me explain with the help of a diagram here. So this is your data. So what is the length of your data? The length of your data is 32 bit. Okay, this is your length of your 32 bit data. So now what I'm doing, the lower order of the data. The lower order of the data means what? So among this 32 bit, which is your lower order, 0D is the data that is a lower order data, and 0A is the higher order data. Okay, so this lower order data is stored in the address that is A. Okay, that is a starting address. So let me call it as an 8000. Okay, so the lower order of your data is stored in the memory address, that is a starting address, which is 8000. For example, we'll consider it as an 8000. So what will be your next memory location address? It will be 8001. So in the 8001, what you are storing? You are storing the data that is next to the lower order, that is next to 0D. What it is there? 0C is coming. Okay, so that next data, the next data next to the the data next to the lower order, that is 0C, is stored in the memory location whose address is 8001. Okay, 0B, coming to 0B, so it is a it is a data next to what? Next to 0C. So 0B is coming to 8002, and 0A is coming to 8003. So what I mean to say is, the lower order is stored in the memory location whose address is low, and the higher order data is stored in the memory location whose address is I. Okay, that is called as a little endian. Now what is a big endian? Big endian is just vice versa, whatever we have understood with respect to little endian, the same concept but in a reverse manner we need to apply here. So higher order data, see the 0A, the higher order data is stored in the memory location whose address is low. Okay, when compared to this memory location, when compared to the addresses of these memory locations, so A, that is 8000, 8001, 8002, 8003. So the higher order data is stored in the lower address, and the lower order data is stored in the memory location whose address is A. So just observe here, 0T, 0C, 0B, 0A. Here we are storing in the reverse manner, 0A, 0B, 0C, and 0D. So this is called as a little endian, and this is called as a big endian. Okay. So it is clearly visible here. In order to understand a little endian, I made one more slide. So little endian means a lower order byte. Okay, so the 32-bit byte is there, no? Sorry, the 32 bits data is there, no? That 32-bit data, I can call it as byte 0, byte 1, and byte 2 and byte 3 respectively. So now in the little endian case, so byte 0 will be stored in the memory location whose address is base address plus 0, and byte 1 will be stored in the next memory location whose address is bit higher when compared to this, that is base address plus 1, next base address plus 2, base address plus 3. So base address you can consider it as 8000 here. So 8000 again, what we are storing in 8000, byte 0 data, that is a lower data. Next byte 1 data in 8001, byte 2 in 8002, byte 3 in 8003. So this is called as a little endian concept. Now in the big endian concept, the same thing but in a reversed manner. Byte 0 in this address, that is 8003, byte 1 in 8002, byte 2 in 8001, and byte 3 in 8000. So we are just storing the result in a reversed manner, but right now we are using the little endian concept in our ARM processor.